In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find ETrade account number. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, so you can quickly view your full account number when you need it for things like transfers, direct deposits, or verifying your identity with support. First, start by logging in to your ETrade account. Make sure you're on the official website or the official app, and check that the connection is secure. If you're prompted for two-factor authentication, that's normal. Just follow the on-screen prompts to confirm it's really you. Taking a moment to sign in securely helps protect your financial information. Once you're signed in, look for the profile area. This might appear as your profile name or an icon near the top of the page. Click Profile, then select Account Preferences. You're heading to the settings that control your account's basic details. Interfaces can change from time to time, but the wording Profile and Account Preferences is what you're looking for. If the layout looks slightly different, don't worry. These options typically live in the same general area. Inside Account Preferences, find the section labeled Account Information. In this section, locate account number. For security, ETrade often masks most of the number so it isn't immediately visible on the screen. To reveal it, click View. You may see a brief prompt asking you to confirm your identity again. This added layer is designed to keep your number private if someone else is looking over your shoulder or if your screen is left unattended. After you click View, your full account number will appear. Take a moment to read it carefully. If you need to record it, store it in a secure place you trust rather than in a note that could be easily seen or shared. Avoid displaying it in screenshots or screen shares, especially if you're working in a public setting. If you have more than one ETrade account, be aware that each account will have its own number. The account information section corresponds to the specific account you're viewing, so confirm you're in the correct account before you copy the number. That's all there is to it. To recap, log in, go to Profile, open Account Preferences, then under Account Information, click View next to account number to reveal your full number. Keep it confidential and use it only where it's required. With these steps, you'll be able to find your ETrade account number quickly and confidently whenever you need it.